I've done a few things to this motorcycle which may or may not be considered improvements. You know, getting it ready. It's gonna go across Canada. I promise it. Unless it doesn't, and then it'll just end up wherever it ends up. But it should go across Canada. That's the idea. We got 2 new spark plugs in this guy. We got 2 saddlebags that have been added. I changed all the hardware on the rear of the frame, so no, it's all got like nylock nuts now, so hopefully it doesn't rattle apart. What else we got? We got an additional headlight, which is operated by its own switch. That's pretty neat. And sometimes the main headlight doesn't work. Once in a while, it just stops for whatever reason. So it's nice to have a headlight that works at command. It's connected directly to the battery. That way, I don't have to rely on the motorcycle itself to work. Only the battery. What else? What else have I done? 2 plugs? Yeah. I changed the rear tire. It's held for the last 3 weeks. So it's probably going to hold for at least 3 more. So I should be done with that. Now, today's project is replacing the horn. This V-Star horn, it makes a good tone and volume for if you're delivering ice cream, but I'm a serious rider, and I need a serious horn. That's why I went down to Canadian Tire, picked up the Freeway Blaster. It says universal low-tone horn. I picked low because I wanted to sound manly.
Wrong.
Low-tone horn. And it says here, in a little red circle, loudest horn on the market. Now, I don't believe that, but it probably will be loud. So we're going to see. It claims to do 133 decibels at 4 inches. Now, I don't usually stand 4 inches away from my motorcycle horn, but we'll just assume that that's enough for whatever it is that I'm doing. Let's give it a shot. Well, that turned out to be extremely easy. Really. You just unplug it, and then you plug it in. And that's basically what the instructions said to do. And I did read the instructions. And yeah, it was that easy. Is it loud? Is it loud? Yeah, it's pretty loud.